Oh, hi everyone. Today's lesson is about harder completing the square questions. Right, so it's grade 9 questions. Okay, so let's start with the one example. So number one will be like example. The question will say write 2x squared. One second. Plus 8x plus 7 in the form of a bracket x plus b squared plus c. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is factorize. Yeah, so start with factorization. Yeah, so you have to take the 2 outside the bracket. So 2 bracket. Yeah, you have to remove this 2. If it's 3, you have to remove also the 3. Yeah, so you have to factorize. So 2 bracket x squared plus 4x. Yeah, and then do not factorize the 7. Leave the 7 outside the bracket. This is the best way. It's the easiest way. Yeah, do not do 7 inside the bracket as 7 over 2. You will have to do more calculation. Yeah, then complete the square of whatever is inside the bracket. This one. Yeah, so first we will do 2 brackets, then do completing the square of this. Complete the square. So it will be x plus 2 squared. Yeah, minus 2 squared, which is 4, and then plus 7. Okay, remember that what we said in the previous lesson. Then you have to halve the 4. Yeah. Yeah, so do 4 divided by 2. Yeah. Okay, after that, you will have to just expand the bracket. So it will be 2 bracket x plus 2 squared minus 8 plus 7. So which is equal to 2 brackets x plus 2 squared minus 1. Right, that is it's done now, it's finished. The value of A is 2, the value of B is 2 as well, and the value of C is minus 1. Yeah, let's do another one actually. Question number 2. So if you have like a question saying write 3x squared minus 12x plus 11 in the form of a bracket x plus b squared plus c. Okay, so the working out of this will be first we said we have to try to put the 3 outside the bracket. Yeah, factorize. Yeah, first factorize. So you will have to do 3 bracket. Yeah, x squared and minus 4x, and then do not factorize 11. Leave it as it is outside the bracket. Then complete the square of this. So 3 brackets, and then this is so remember to complete the square of x squared minus 4x, x squared minus 4x, we open bracket, and we put x, and then we halve the 4, divide by 2, like this, and then we square, and then we minus this number squared, 2 squared. That's how we did it before. Yeah? So it will be x minus 2 squared minus, 2 squared is 4. Yeah. Okay then. Maybe I will do a quick recap as well of another question. Complete the square of a simple one like x squared plus 6x plus 7, So we open bracket, we do x, and then we halve the 6, divide by 2, that's 3, square, and you always minus this number squared. So minus 3 squared plus 7. I explained to you in the previous lesson why we have to minus 3. And then it will be x plus 3 squared minus 9 plus 7 is minus 2, yeah? So x plus 3 squared minus 2, yeah? So that's the completing the square of a simple, easy question. So let's go back to this question. So we do x minus 2 squared, and then minus 2 squared, and then close the bracket, and plus 11. Yeah, so this will be equivalent to x minus 2 squared minus 4 plus 11, and then try now to remove the bracket, so you have to expand. So this will be 3 bracket x minus 2 squared minus 12 plus 11, which is 3 bracket x minus 2 squared minus 1. And if you have a question asking you to find the coordinates of the turning point, which is very common question with completing the square, so it's a coordinate. So all you have to do, change the sign of this number, make it plus 2, and keep the one that is outside the bracket the same, 2 minus 1, yeah? And if you want also to find the turning point of the previous question, question number 1, you do the same. Let's do it here. Turning point, coordinate R, change the sign of minus 2, of 2, that becomes minus 2, and then just copy the one outside the bracket, leave it as it is, minus 1. Okay, so that's it, and I hope you enjoy your lesson, and see you for the next lesson.